Joe Mackenzie here, your watercolor coach. Remember to keep the whites of your paper white and your paints wet. Mass for value, mix for color. So this is what I mean by mass for value, mix for color. There are my three colors. I have alizarin crimson, ultramarine blue, and burnt sienna. And what I'm doing is I'm using all three of them to mass in, to color in the mass of the darkest values that are in this painting. So I'm starting from my darkest darks. I'm allowing these paint colors to mix on the paper as a triad. I don't mix them. I put them near each other, and the paint is quite thick. I also use as few strokes as possible so the paint actually intermingles on its own. I don't force it to meet and mingle. It seems to just attach itself to each other somehow. Water seems to know where water wants to go. And I keep the color as pure as I can by rinsing my brush in the water, wiping on a towel on my lap, and then going into the new pile of color. So I don't ever let these colors get mixed up or tipped in any way. And so I pretty much masked in the dark values that I want to, and on a different day I will do the midtones and the whites, and you'll see that next. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.